What's going on, everyone? This is Ryan of Last Line Welding. Hope you're having a good one today. So I'm going to kind of just deep dive into what you need to run a TIG rig off your SA200. I know there's some videos out there, but I'm going to do some close-ups, kind of explain in more detail exactly what you can use. You don't have to use my setup at all. If you want what I have, just DM me, message me, or whatever. I'll give you the list of everything I have for this video. Well, let's just dive right into it. All right, here's the basic setup. This is the TIG rig. As you can see, this is a 200 amp. If you're going to do heavy wall, get a 300 amp TIG rig and or a I think it goes up to 365, maybe 400. I'm not sure. Get that for heavy wall. This won't work for heavy wall. You're going to burn it up real freaking quick. So basically, let me show you how this goes together. Got your argon hose, the green. Connect it. Boom, it's connected, right? Take your regulator. Don't recommend this one, but this is what I have kind of laying around. All right, you have this connected. Now you're going to put this regulator into your argon bottle. Boom, boom, boom. All right, it's on. Cool. Now that's all set up. You are technically good to weld off of this if you are not doing stainless or anything of that nature. If you're doing carbon, boom, that's your setup right there. Now, if you're going to do stainless steel, you can see this hose right here. This isn't the right hose. This is just kind of what I have just laying around at the shop. But what you're going to do is, I mean, for instance, you could use this, you can cut this off, so on and so forth. But you're going to have another argon bottle that you'll have. You're going to connect this to another regulator. This is going to go inside your stainless steel pipe. That purges it. And that's it. So now, let me show you how this works off an SA200 right now. All right, now that we're at the machine, this is my positive, negative, right? Basically, you're going to reverse these. Take it out, flip it. That's what you need to do. Now let me come over here and show you. Yep, we're going. Drop y'all down real quick. I apologize. So, your reverse polarity going on. What you're going to end up doing, while this is all connected, connect your stinger just like that. So your stinger's going to go on right there. Now, once that is done, you're good to weld carbon. That's your setup. You always, for stainless, have to connect that to your purge. That's the basic setup. This is the simplicity of it. There's no having to, I mean, there's other ways you can do this. You can get it to where you have another lead. Let's say, like, I'm not going to chop this lead up, but if you have an extra lead laying around, you can chop it, put on a negative positive end on either side, and connect it that way. To me, it's not worth it. I'm not going to spend an extra couple $100 for it, but this is as simple as it gets. Thank y'all for watching this video. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Peace.